Hello, in front of me I have INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply themes and customize the home screen. Okay, so first we need to open up the settings. Now find Wallpapers and Personalization, and when it comes to the custom themes, you gotta go to My Themes, and if you want to get more, click on this button down below. And now we can download some custom themes. For example, let's say I'll pick this one. It's completely for free. And now to add it, we gotta click the download button. Okay, now we can click on apply. You can also enable the AOD. Confirm once again, and now it says that it has been successfully set. And let's just take a look. We also have the custom icons for this theme. So everything has worked. Same thing with the icons in the settings. As you go back to Wallpapers and Personalization, you can also change the icon size and also get back to the original look. It is up to you. And of course you can also download some other themes. Everything is up to you. Maybe let's try to add a different one. This time, let's say I'll pick maybe this. Also click on download. And then we can go back and let's take a look. It also worked, and we have now a custom theme with icons. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.